There are many products available to choose Sectional, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Sectional from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Valyou Feathers Sectional. Former People's Shopping editor Erica Reels claims this is not only the best couch she's ever owned, but it's the most comfortable couch she's ever sat on. Thanks to her shedding dog and spill-prone husband, she's normally apprehensive about light-colored furniture, but decided to take a chance on this beige cloud-like couch from Valyou. In the 3 months she's been in its company, the couch has seen muddy paw prints, espresso spills, and hours upon hours of lounging. The stain-resistant upholstery is so easy to spot clean, she doesn't even need to use soap. Additionally, the 110-inch Sectional was delivered in 2 pieces. So there was minimal assembly time. The delivery workers snapped the 2 pieces together in mere seconds. Number 2. IKEA Uppland Sofa. This affordable sofa from IKEA is made with pocket springs, high-resilience foam, and polyester fibers. And the reversible back cushions will ensure the couch doesn't lose its firmness over time. Each Uppland sofa comes with one of 15 slipcover options, which can easily be removed and machine washed. Our tester found that the couch was comfortable and springy, with roomy cushions that even allowed for a mid-afternoon nap. Delivery was quick and simple, and it only took 1 week to arrive. Assembly was completed in 1 hour by the tester, and they found it to be a straightforward process. IKEA allows for returns if unopened, and you can do so with proof of purchase after 1 year, and you can take 180 days also with proof of purchase once taken out of the box. For under $900, this is the kind of couch that will last a long time without the cushions giving way, and users can even change up the slipcover to update its appearance. Number 3. Albany Park Kova Pit. The Albany Park Kova Pit is made with incredibly luxe materials, like a kiln-dried hardwood frame, a foam-topped webbing and spring suspension system, and cushions filled with a hypoallergenic microfiber blend. The deep seats that are a hallmark of a pit couch make this the perfect option to lay down on too. While this makes it a little hard to get in and out of, it ends up feeling more like a feather bed than a couch, making it perfect for people who love to lie and watch TV or movies. However, the original shipping was free and quick. The couch came in 8 boxes left at the door, with clear instructions. Most of the pieces clicked easily into place, and the whole thing took 2 hours. Our tester received the velvet fabric, and it stayed velvety and soft even after muddy paw prints and pet hair threatened to stain it. In fact, you can either wipe it clean or remove the covers and machine wash. Number 4. Crate and Barrel Lounge Deep 2-Seat Sofa. This 2-seater from Crate and Barrel is high quality, with a bench-made hardwood frame that's kiln-dried, a spring-up foundation to eliminate sagging, and soy-based polyfoam seat cushions that are wrapped in a fiber-down blend. But all of that wouldn't matter if it wasn't comfortable, and this is what our tester had to say about it. I will tell everyone I know that this is the best couch I have ever used. This praise comes because of the deep cushions that can fit multiple people, or one person taking a nap. The back cushions have some give that makes them comfortable to lie against, and they're full but don't feel stiff. Several customizations can be made, including 3 depth options, 8 size options, and more than 200 fabric and color combinations. Number 5. Burrow Block Nomad Sofa. This couch from Burrow is especially kid-friendly. Starting with the fabric, the tight Olin fiber is both scratch and stain resistant. The 3-layer foam is firm, and it's large enough to fit a few people but not soft enough to nap on for hours. The frame is sturdy to prevent warping, and it even comes equipped with a USB charger and a 72-inch power cord. There are a few ways to customize this couch, including fabric, leg finish, arm styles, and cushion styles. Burrow has a 30-day return policy that requires a 20% shipping fee capped at $250 if the furniture is not in its original packaging, although this goes down to 10% if it is. However, initial shipping is free, and the brand offers free swatches and free exchanges, and any damages upon arrival are fixed and covered by the seller. The couch comes in 5 boxes that are left at the front door, but our tester found the setup to be simple. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.